Hello all, welcome once again. This is Supriya from RPIIT, Technical Medical Campus Karnal. In this session, we are going to cover the topic unit cell and its type. So what is unit cell? Unit cell can be defined as smallest unit of a crystal. It can also be defined as a small replica of a crystal structure. The repetition of unit cell will form the same crystal. A unit cell may be defined in terms of lattice point. So what is lattice? Lattice is a set of imaginary points that describe the arrangement of atoms or molecules in a crystal. This atom or molecule is called as basis. So when the basis of the arrangement when basis is arranged at the lattice point, they can form the crystal. So crystal is equals to lattice plus basis. This arrangement of atoms can be done in many ways. For example, as in this figure, the parallelogram in two-dimension formed two-dimension unit cell, whereas a parallelepiped with vertices having lattice point from three-dimension forms a three-dimension unit cell. In this case, our unit cell is of two types. First one is primitive unit cell and another is non-primitive unit cell. So what is primitive unit cell? Primitive unit cell is that unit cell which have only one lattice point, whereas non-primitive unit cell have no have any number of lattice point. First of all, we have to understand the contribution of lattice point in this unit cell. If the atoms are present at the faces of unit cell, then if an atom is present at the face of unit cell, then the atom is surrounded by two unit cell. Each of lattice point contribution is half. So in this figure, talking about primitive unit cell, all the lattice points are present at the corner and they all have the contribution of 1 in this. For example, simple cubic cell. This unit cell has 8 atoms at 8 corners. In this case, total number of atoms of unit cell is 8 into 1 by 8, that is 1. So while some another unit cell has in addition to while some another unit cell has the atoms in addition to the corners, such as faces, edges, or on the center, because of this total contribution in unit cell is more than 1. Such a unit cell is called non-primitive unit cell. For example, as the case of BCC. In the case of BCC, it has 8 atoms at each corner and 1 atom at the center of the basis, center of the body. The total number of atoms in this is 2. Similarly, for the case of FCC. So total contribution in FCC is 4. Both of these are the example of non-primitive unit cell. In our next video, we will learn about the symmetries and the Bravais lattice. What are the symmetries present in a crystal structure? So thanks for watching us. Do subscribe, do like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel, that is RPIIT Academics. Thanks once again.